Well, as I'm a micro YouTuber, I don't make really big money on YouTube. It's just a little amount of money. But the first thing people ask, how much do I make on YouTube? Of course they wonder, I understand, but I think this shouldn't be the first question to ask. They wonder how much do I make on YouTube. So I made this video for the people who wonder how much you can make on YouTube with this much of subscribers and this much of views. It depends on where people watch your videos from. If they watch from Turkey, India, like the lower CPM areas, you will earn less. But if they watch your video from Australia, from UK, from United States, you will earn more revenue. The revenue depends on the CPM, cost per mile. It's cost per 1,000 views. Before I dive into my analytics reports, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you, and let's dive into my analytics reports. Alright, let's dive into my analytics reports. Here's the dashboard and let's go for analytics. And this is my analytics reports for 28 days. For 28 days, I made $123. So let's check the revenue. This RPM. RPM means revenue per mile and tells you how much you earned per 1,000 views. So this one telling me how much I made from 1,000 views. It's only 89 cents. And this one, the CPM, playback based CPM means effective playback based cost per mile and tells you how much advertisers paid per 1,000 monetized playbacks. So I got 3.41 per 1,000 views. And CPM and RPM is so important. It affects your revenue directly. And this is the report for 28 days. And let's check 7 days. My CPM and RPM went higher. So let's see 90 days CPM and RPM is lower, and if it goes 365 days it's lower, and for the lifetime it's here. I will explain you this later on because it affects your revenue right away. Let's go back to my analytics reports. So this is for 28 days. For 90 days I made $358 from 733,000 views. One of my video went viral here, so I got this much revenue from here. I will show you that video too. 2 million views. From 3.3 million views I got $800. But let's check the CPM and RPM in this 1 year. It's 135 and 0.24. It's too low, you can see. I will explain it later. And let's see lifetime. From lifetime, I made $1,077 from YouTube for 4.2 million views. And let's go to see the revenue, RPM and CPM. RPM and CPM is the most important thing. So you should be carrying these RPM and CPM. 2 years ago, I was making my videos in Turkish, so it wasn't bringing me too much revenue. But after I started to make my videos in English, my RPM and CPM went higher, as you can see from here. Last 28 days, my RPM and CPM is quite high. So let's go to my videos, my popular videos. So this one made almost 2 million views. Let's see how much I got from this video. So last 28 days, I got $13 from 67,000 views. Why? Because my CPM and RPM is too low in this video. RPM and CPM could be higher. How? Well, Turkey's CPM and RPM is quite low. That's why I cannot make much money if people watch my video from Turkey or from the countries like Turkey. For example, if people watch my video from the United States, from the UK, I get more money, more CPM, more RPM, and I get more revenue. I will show you with one example. Let's keep it here. Let's keep it here and keep it in mind. And let's see how much I made from this one. Lifetime, it's only $195 I made from this video. This is so low because RPM and CPM is too low. This video is short, 55 seconds only, and mostly the people, the audience, were from Turkey. 87% of the viewers were from Turkey. That's why I made really less money from this video. And I will show you my other video which has less view but more revenue. This one made $152 with only 75,000 views. Can you imagine? Why? Because of its CPM and RPM is quite high. $2, $7. And the audience, let's check the audience where they are from. Mostly people are watching my video from United States, from the UK. That's why my CPM is quite high. And I got this much from this video. It's only 75,000 views, but I got $152. And let's see this video. These are limited because of this thumbnail. It is limited. It hits 662,000 views. And how much I got, do you think, from this video? Only $13 because they stopped my revenue because of this thumbnail. It was a clickbait video, by the way. I was trying something that time, 2018. Well, and this video is about Auschwitz, but my ads, again, it's limited here because it's 18 plus video. So I made only $30 from this with 398,000 views. And let's see the revenue. CPM is okay, but RPM is too low. That's why I cannot make really money from this video. And the audience is mostly from Turkey. That's one of the reason my RPM, CPM is quite low. And let's see this one too, this example, and then I'm gonna end up this video. For example, this one made $60 for 60,000 views. So what can we say? I made $1 per 1,000 views. So let's check the revenue. As I told you, $1 per 1,000 views. RPM shows you that one. So audience, let's check the audience where the people are watching this video from. 30% is from Turkey, Indonesia, India, Saudi Arabia, Germany. If this would be UK, US, Germany, I would make more money on this video. But still, for my channel, this is okay. 1,000 view, $1. Well, this was my analytics reports, so I can say that I don't make much money on YouTube. Well, this is just my passion. I love making videos on YouTube. I love informing people about my lovely country. So just for that, I'm making my videos. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about my videos, this kind of stuff, or my travel videos, or myself, you can always comment below. See you in another video. Bye bye.